You've known the importance of brushing your teeth all your life. But when you're planning a trip, is your toothbrush something you give a lot of thought to? It should be. Well, it is easy to just grab and go with a manual toothbrush. Traveling with an electric toothbrush requires a little bit more planning. You'll want to make sure your toothbrush is compact, lightweight, and easy to pack in your carry-on bag. There are many products available to choose from. Best travel toothbrush, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best travel toothbrush from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Oral-B Pro Electric Toothbrush. The best electric toothbrush for traveling can remove up to 300% more plaque along the gum line than manual toothbrushes. The Oral-B Pro 1000 electric toothbrush has a rotating design which breaks up and sweeps away plaque, but it also includes a pressure sensor to prevent you from brushing too hard and a timer to make sure you're brushing for the appropriate amount of time. Charging this toothbrush can take up to 22 hours, and a full charge should allow you to brush for 2 minutes twice a day for up to 7 days. The only downside of this amazing toothbrush is that it's not dual voltage, so if you're leaving the United States or Canada. Number 2. Colgate Max Fresh Wisp Disposable Mini Toothbrush. The Colgate Max Fresh Wisp Disposable Mini Toothbrush is the absolute best on-the-go toothbrush on the market. These toothbrushes are pre-pasted and don't require water or rinsing. They're single-use and disposable, so they're perfect if you enjoy extended hikes or are traveling somewhere where the water may not be safe. The built-in freshening toothpaste bead dissolves as you use it, and there's a soft pick at the base of the toothbrush to help you reach food particles you may have missed while brushing. The package includes 24 toothbrushes, and the bag only measures 6.3 x 4.3, so it can easily be stashed in everything from a purse to a hiking backpack, without taking up too much space. For a toothbrush you can use anytime and anywhere, go with the Colgate Max Fresh Wisp Disposable Mini Toothbrush. Number 3. Philips Sonicare Diamond Clean Electric Toothbrush. When it comes to the greatest portable electric toothbrushes on the market, the Philips Sonicare Diamond Clean Electric Toothbrush will always make the list. The powerful sonic technology can remove 7 times more plaque than manual toothbrushes, and has the ability to brighten your smile in only 1 week, and improve the health of your gums in only 2. It has 5 different modes so you can customize your brushing based on your needs. The toothbrush has a 2-minute timer which beeps in 30-second increments, to make sure you brush each section of your mouth. Number 4. Longito Folding Travel Toothbrush. The Longito Folding Travel Toothbrush is specifically designed for effective cleaning, gentle gum protection, and plaque removal while you're on the road. It's a regular size brush of 7 3/4 inches long, but folds down to 4 1/2 inches to make it easy to travel with. The toothbrush head folds into the handle, so the bristles stay protected and don't get dirty even while the brush is moving around in your bag. You can get this toothbrush by packs of 2 or 3, so if you travel often you can keep one in your larger luggage for longer trips, and another in your smaller carry-on bag for weekend getaways. The Longito Folding Travel Toothbrush is a great folding toothbrush to take with you on all of your future trips. Number 5. Brush Electric Toothbrush. For a high-quality electric toothbrush that blows its competition out of the water, look no further than this innovative product from Brush. With a built-in 2-minute timer and 6 different brushing modes, this unique brush can be customized to fit your hygienic and aesthetic preferences, ensuring that you get the perfect clean every time. The sleek travel-friendly design makes it a breeze to take on the go, and the rechargeable lithium-ion battery can last up to 4 weeks on a single charge. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.